Well, good morning. Uh, Monday morning. Yay, don't we all love Mondays? Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. It is August 5th, 2024, about 4:10 in the morning. Oh, yay, Mondays. I hope everybody's having a good start to their week. Uh, yeah, be going to therapy this morning, so yay. It's been doing good for me. I ain't gonna say everything's completely healed or anything, but it's not hurting near as much when I do move, so that's good. And yay. Like I said, be probably getting evaluated next Wednesday for the last one they've got scheduled so far. Uh, yeah, I don't know. I am definitely ready to get over there. Philippines is calling me. Yeah, I remember in 82, 83 when I was over there, I loved it. I wish things had been different then in a way, but yeah, you have to go through what you had to go through to get where you are, to be who you are. If you're happy with who you are, well, then you got to be happy with what you went through to get to where you are. Or at least, if not happy, accepting of what you went through. And I like who I am today. So I have to understand that I wouldn't be who I am today if I didn't go through what I went through. So I accept what I went through. And that's a good thing. Anyway, saw a couple of folks over there that were doing things, and they were on their computer, and one of them got a monitor, and another one had one of those little Mac Minis or Mini Macs, whatever you want to call them. I have no idea. I've been looking at them on Amazon and thinking it might be worth picking one of those up before I head over there. I don't know. I've always been more of a computer, a little personal computer. Linux is my preferred. I'm not as good at it as I'd like to be, but it's good enough. And I also do Windows. Don't like Windows. I mean, don't get me wrong, it works. And if you're willing to reboot every day, twice a day, it's a decent, it works. But it has a tendency to clutter itself up and slow itself down and lock up. And they still haven't fixed that problem. I don't know. Maybe if they would just put in a little line of code that says, hey, at the end of 6 hours, you dump everything that's been there for 6 hours and have it go off, 3, 5 times, 20 times a day or something, That way everything that builds up in there that becomes clutter, that locks it up and such, could just be flushed. Just like a reboot, except not rebooting. Just clean out all the junk that Windows collects in 8 hours. Of course, then that would probably mess with their spying on us with Windows. And yes, think about it. The reason they gave Windows 10 away and free upgrades to 11 is because it was bought by the government, funded by the government, and is used by the government because, the government actually has to get you to, accept them violating your rights, and since they can't force you to do that, they don't like it. So what do? They have you accept the terms for Windows, and Windows just volunteers all that information to the government. A backdoor spy. It is what it is. And just because I said that, this thing will probably get flagged or it won't be able to be monetized for sure because, well, I'm not monetized at this point, and yeah, I don't think it would ever get past their scrutiny to be monetized if I ever do. So, yes, our government. Hey, you think I'm joking? They just tried to kill Trump a couple weeks ago. So, yeah. But hey, our government's good. Yeah, they're good guys. Yeah, no. Red wing, red, blue, purple, pink, zebra stripe, polka dots, dog catcher up. They all should be tried and convicted. Yeah. Worldwide. I'm fair and balanced. But yeah. Right wing of the bird, left wing of the bird, same birdie poop on you. Just saying. It's a fact. It's the same bird. Yeah. It's kind of like with the way the government does race. Here. Simple fact. There is but one race on this planet. It's called Homo sapien. We don't have a bunch of different races. Continents, diversified because of conditions in which you live, yes, but hey, they're still just human. Every person on this planet is Homo sapien. Well, unless we've got some aliens floating around, but I'm not too sure one way or the other about that. So I'm not gonna, yeah. Pretty much, we're just Homo sapien. One race. But the government don't like that idea, because then it can't divide you and make you want to fight with each other. Yeah. Because, hey, our governments and the governments around the world are just such good people. Yeah. And if you believe that, I've got some bridges in New York, the Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah, it's for sale. Contact me just with lots and lots of money. Send it to my email address for me, won't you? Bitcoin. Yeah. Because I'll sell you the Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah, trusting government. I don't. Anyway, been one of them weird days for me. Went home, was going to do something, sat down, fell smooth asleep. Woke up and ate something and then went back to bed. So I ended up with kind of a broken sleep, and then I woke up early anyway. But I did get about 9.5, almost 10 hours of sleep, which is good. But yeah, it messes up a day real quick when you, just fall asleep when, but I must have needed it. So that's a good thing. So I guess I'll be doing more mowing. We'll get it done. Anyway, I hope your week is going good. Oh, what else? Oh. Has anybody had anything to do with the air tags and how they work? I got some, and I'm gonna try to figure out how they work and get them set up. I don't know. It's new territory, trying to figure out a new operating system. Like I say, I've never really dealt with the Mac and the iPhones and such. Hell, that iPhone 7, I've had it 8 months. 9 months. No, 8 months. Less than 8 months, because I got it in mid-January or late January. So yeah, haven't had it that long. But, it's like you got to learn. It's when you stop learning that you give up. And yeah, I'd rather learn a little bit, even on bad days, I'd rather learn a little bit of something than not. Although I can say I'm not really too impressed with the way Apple and Mac work. I don't know, maybe I'm just used to the Androids and the personal computers and such. These Apple Macs and such, they just don't seem intuitive to me. Yet I've got a couple of friends that say that, no, it's so intuitive. Really? I don't know. Makes me wonder, though, because for me, it just seems off, way off, so far off that, yeah, Pluto's like inside the orbit. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to get it figured out. And, well, I eventually will. I'm just not highly motivated for this Apple and Mac stuff, iPhone stuff. It's that forcing you to have to, why would anyone solder memory to the board? Why? It's easier to just make it to where it can be swapped in and out and you can upgrade and improve things. But no, I don't like that crap. It's irritating, especially from somebody who likes building his own damn computers. And I've had some pretty good gaming computers that were pretty dang hot. I got out of them about 10 years ago, but I stopped playing games. I guess I grew up some. But that's okay. Oh, gosh, 10? Oh, gosh, 13 years ago. Yeah. Time slips by real quick. I mean, look at it. We're already got 7 months gone and the 8th one's starting. Moving faster than what I thought. And yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm hoping everybody's having a good day. I hope you have a real easy week. Hope it's a real productive one for you. Anyway, I'm gonna say this. Blessings later and bye-bye. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. And hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.